On this video I'll show you my earnings from purchasing a music track, show you my earnings both for listening to music and also for other people listening to the track that I've purchased. So let's go and first of all prove the track that I purchased. I'll go to my notifications and you can see in here yesterday you purchased Never Let Me Go for 3030 music token. That was fulfilled 1 day ago, so that's the track that I purchased. By buying a track you actually earn 20 points, so going to referrals and rewards here, pick up and pair a new track was 20 points. So I made that track available on my own jukebox so other people could listen to it. Then having done that, I also was earning rewards daily by simply listening to music. So if we click on rewards here, you can see listen, and again today so far I've listened to 20 tracks, and because I've purchased and paired one track in the last 30 days, that entitles me to get paid to listen to music. So my 20 unique listens will get me 2 points. So I need to claim that every day. I need to claim my points, and they will then go in my back office under rewards and referrals. So we come back here. We don't need to see this, but I just want to show you for the integrity of the video. But it's also worth pointing out that if you don't purchase a music track, you don't have to. You can still earn money with Gala Music by simply referring people, because if someone else, a referred person for instance, buys a track, or a referred person purchases a jukebox, then you get points for that as well, and points get converted into music token. So that's the background there. You can see my 2 points today, and you can see that listen and earn. So by listening I'm earning. So you can see 18 hours ago I was awarded 435 music token. Let's quickly go and show you what they're currently worth in today's money. So we come over to CoinGecko, we check up the price of Gala Music. So it's 3.129 cents US cents per Gala Music. So 435 was actually 13.61 US dollars. So that was my daily earnings there with Gala Music. But oh yes, the other thing I haven't covered is that track as well that I purchased, Never Let Me Go, that's now going to earn me every single day whilst it's on the jukebox, because I own that music track. So other people are listening to that and I get paid for that. So let me just show you what my earnings just from that track were yesterday. Here we go. So Never Let Me Go earned 44.51 music tokens. That was $1.39's worth of revenue income for me in a day from other people listening to the music track that I own.